If you're trying to get your real estate license and want to pass exam on your very first try without wasting any time or stressing yourself out, then this video is going to help you do exactly that. Now, I just went through the entire process myself and passed the real estate exam on my very first try. And in this video, I'm going to break down what actually works, what doesn't, and the simple study habits that made the biggest difference for me so you can walk into your exam feeling confident and prepared. You can take your real estate course in person with weekly classes, but for me, that would have taken forever. In order to take the real estate exam, you have to complete the pre-licensing hours. Now, every state requires a different number of hours for the pre-licensing course. Some states are as low as 40 hours, like Michigan, while others can go all the way up to 180 hours, like Texas. Now, I chose to do everything online, and honestly, it made the entire process so much more manageable online. And it was easily the best decision. Here's why. I could study wherever I wanted. Some weeks I would put in up to 8 hours, while others I literally did nothing because, hey, life gets busy. The flexibility made the difference, and honestly, if I was forced into a weekly in-person class, I probably would have just quit halfway through. There are so many online real estate schools, it honestly gets overwhelming really fast. I did my research, read reviews, compared prices, and eventually went with Colibri Real Estate. Now, I wasn't looking for the cheapest option, I just wanted the course that would best prepare me in passing the real estate exam. And Colibri looked to be the best fit for that, and after using it, I'm glad I trusted my gut. Now, this video is sponsored by Colibri, but everything you hear here is 100% my thoughts and based on my real experience. In Illinois, where I live, you need to complete 75 hours of coursework, so I ended up spending a lot of time inside the platform, and here's what really stood out to me. The course was very well organized. Each chapter was broken down into clean sections. They had a read aloud feature, and I would just put it on ×2 speed, which was an absolute game changer for me. They had mini quizzes after each lesson and a test after each chapter, which were a huge help in fully learning and grasping the material. They forced you to engage with the material instead of just mindlessly scrolling through it. And the practice tests, well, those were very close in style to the real exam you have to take in order to get your license. Here's my honest study pattern, and hopefully this gives you permission not to feel guilty when life gets too busy. Some weeks I would really lock in and put anywhere from about 6 to 8 hours of studying. I would just put my ear pods in, listen on ×2 speed, and take notes while just sipping coffee like a student. Other weeks I did absolutely nothing. Fat old zero. And not even a quiz. Life happens. I got married, I got a puppy, traveled, and even bought a house. So yeah, life gets busy. I even went 6 weeks in a row without touching the course at all. And the nice part about doing it online, you could just pause when you need to and jump right back in when you're ready again. After I got in the swing of things and finished the 75-hour course, I shifted completely into practice exam mode. Colibri lets you drill actual topics, and on top of that, they include electronic flashcards, studying guides, and a readiness tracker that helped me gauge how prepared I actually was for the actual exam. So if I kept missing math or agency questions, I could actually target those while I was also seeing my overall progress improve. After that, I took 2 full practice exams, then signed up for the actual real test. And just to be transparent, I did buy 2 physical books from Colibri, and they're great if you're someone that likes highlighting or just flipping through the pages, but I personally didn't end up using them. The online lessons and practice questions were more than enough for me. Still, it's great that they offer different formats depending on how you like to study, whether that's books, online modules, or even live webinars with real instructors. And here's a key tip. Don't just read the material, practice the questions. That's what's really going to prepare you for the exam. If anything, you could just fly through the course at ×2 speed and spend a good portion of your time on the practice exams and the questions. Walking into the real exam felt surreal. Part excitement and part nerves if I'm being honest. Did I study enough, or am I about to just donate $58 to the testing center? First, it's long. The national and state portions together are 140 questions, and you have 4 hours to complete it. So yeah, I was definitely nervous. And here's something most people don't realize or even tell you. Depending on where you live and what state, you only get a certain number of attempts. Here in Illinois, I only get 4 attempts to pass both the national and the state portions of the exams. And your first attempt counts as 2 of those tries. So if you fail both sections twice, you then would be required to redo all that pre-licensing education. And for me, that meant I would have to be restarting the 75 hours of coursework, which is a huge motivation to be as prepared as possible the first time around. So yeah, there is pressure. But when I saw the results pop up and I saw pass, I actually laughed out loud and had pure relief, almost disbelief. It made every study session feel worth it. All that studying, even with the inconsistent schedule, actually worked. And honestly, I credit a big part of that was the lessons and practice exams. The pass or don't pay guarantee. Now, a lot of people ask whether this guarantee is more like a marketing scheme, so let me put it simply. It wasn't the main reason why I picked Colibri, and I didn't want to rely on it, but knowing that it was there did take a little pressure off. Not a lot of schools offer that, and the ones that do usually have a ton of fine print. Colibri's guarantee is straightforward and gives you peace of mind. If you are planning to get your real estate license, I'll drop a discount link down below to Colibri, and if you use it, you'll save some money. And let me know down below in the comments, do you want a follow-up video where I show you my actual first year income as a real estate agent? Like how many houses I bought and sold for clients, what commissions I earned, and what fees I had to pay. 71% of agents don't make a single sale in their first year. So yeah, I think it would be very interesting to see a breakdown of it all. And hey, if you're in Chicago or the suburbs and looking to buy or sell a home, I'd be happy to help. Gotta start promoting myself somewhere. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out this video next that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. I'll see you guys in the next one.